তাহলে এটা কন্টিনিউ, ঠিক আছে?
করতে হবে না, অনেকটা করা হয়েছে। আরো করবেন নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ করুন না, এখনো করুন।
হ্যালো, নেক্সট দেখো জিওগ্রাফির উপরে কত জ্ঞান রয়েছে।
শেষ করতে বলছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ করে দিচ্ছি, হ্যাঁ করে দিচ্ছি।
করে দিচ্ছি। একটু জিওগ্রাফির উপরে কতটা নলেজ রয়েছে একটু দেখুন। What is the process of placing a map?
A map should be placed towards the north.
How many directions are there in a map?
Basically, there are 4 directions in a map. In details, there are 8 directions in a map. In more details, there are 16 directions in a map.
Name them.
They are north, east, south, and west. On the other hand, north, northeast, east, south, southwest, and west, north. On the other way,
In more details. In more details.
in more details, north, northeast, east, northeast, east, south, southeast, southwest, southwest, west, north, west.
Where is the north direction in a map?
Over the map, that is north.
Where is the east direction in a map?
On the left side,
On the right side.
on the right side of the map, that is east.
Where is the south direction in a map?
Below the map, that is south.
Where is the west in the where is the west direction in a map?
On the left side of the map, that is west.
Who is a cartographer?
A person who draws or makes map, he is a cartographer.
Who was the first cartographer in the world?
Anaximander was the first ancient Greek cartographer.
Name on the neighboring countries of India.
Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives.
Name the capital city of Pakistan.
Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan.
Name the capital city of Afghanistan.
Kabul is the capital city of Afghanistan.
Name the capital city of Nepal.
Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal.
Name the capital city of Bhutan.
Thimphu is the capital city of Bhutan.
Name the capital city of Bangladesh.
Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh.
Name the capital city of Myanmar.
Naypyidaw is the capital city of Myanmar.
Name the capital city of Sri Lanka.
Colombo is the capital city of Sri Lanka.
Name the capital city of Maldives.
Male is the capital city of Maldives.
Very good.
এখনো তো রনে
আরে চুপ কর তো তুই।
Please your name.
I am Rajan Pal and I attend Galaf, Storm Director.
Please your father's name.
My father is Mr. Ujjwal Pal. He is a merchant.
Please your mother's name.
My mother is Mrs. Shumitra Pal. She is a very beautiful homemaker.
Mason means
A person who draws or makes map.
no. A mason. Mason means a person who is skilled.
A person who is skilled in making, cutting, designing and laying brick or stone.
How old are you?
I am just 10 plus years old.
In which class do you read?
I read in class.
I am an ardent
I am
student.
an ardent studier of class 6.
What is the name of your school?
Rajanat Balika Vidyalaya Higher Secondary.
Where do you live?
I live at Kadahata Rajanat.
What is the full form of video?
D for block, D for development of officer, altogether block development officer.
Where is your post office?
Our post office is at Rajanat.
You live under which panchayat?
I live at Sindatu Gram Panchayat.
Where is your police station and block development office?
Our police station and block development office are at Chagda.
Where is your subdivisional town?
Our subdivisional town is at Kallari.
Name the district headquarters of Nadia district. Krishnanagar.
Krishnanagar is the district headquarters of Nadia.
What is the name of your district?
Nadia is the name of my district.
What is the name of your state?
West Bengal is the name of my state.
Name the capital city of West Bengal.
Calcutta is the capital city of West Bengal.
What is the name of your country?
India is the name of my country.
Name the capital city of India.
New Delhi is the capital city of India.
What is the name of your continent?
Asia is the name of my continent.
Where is Asia?
Asia is in the world.
Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of India.
Who was the first prime minister of India?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of India.
Who was the first chief minister of West Bengal? Doctor
Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai was the first chief minister of West Bengal.
Who was the first governor of West Bengal?
Chakraborty Rajagopalachari was the first governor of West Bengal.
Who is the present chief minister of West Bengal?
Ms. Mamata Banerjee is the present chief minister of West Bengal.
Who is the present prime minister of India? Mr. Narendra Bhai.
Mr. Narendra Bhai Damodar Das Modi is the present chief prime minister of India.
Who is the present governor of West Bengal?
Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar is the present governor of West Bengal.
Who is the present president of India?
Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the present president of India.
What is the total area of Nadia district in square kilometer?
The total area of Nadia district is 3,927 square kilometer.
What is the total area of West Bengal in square kilometer?
The total area of West Bengal is 88,782 square kilometer.
What is the total area of India in square kilometer?
The total area of India is
32 lakhs.
2,87,782 square kilometer.
What is the total area of Asia in square kilometer?
The total area of Asia is 44 crores 57 lakh 9,000 square kilometer.
What is the total area of the world in square kilometer?
The total area of the world is 51 crores 1 lakh 500 square kilometer.
What is the full form of NASA?
NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
What is the name of the Russian Space Agency?
Roscosmos is the name of Russian Space Agency.
What is the abbreviation of Chinese Space Agency?
CNSA.
What is the full form of CNSA?
CNSA stands for China National Space Aeronautics
Administration.
Administration.
What is the abbreviation of Japanese Space Agency?
JAXA.
What is the full form of JAXA?
JAXA stands for Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency.
What do you understand by mathematics? Mathematics is the
Mathematics is the study of the science of the study of the numbers, quantities, shapes, or patterns. The word mathematics comes from the ancient Greek word mathema.
What is a number?
A number is a quantity.
What is a numeral?
A numeral is a symbol that represents a number, which is used with the
In solving
in solving of mathematical problem.